What's up, y'all? It's your girl Moya and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs. Today we have an Amazon wig from Quandian Hair. This is a 13 by 4 28-inch body wave wig, and it's eaten. So if you want to see how I achieve this install, keep watching this video. But before we even get into the video, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now, like this video, and drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. Like, is this my color? Am I working it? Let's get into this tea. I'm gonna start off with my edge control, and I'm just gonna use this to push my edges back and lay all my hair down so that when it's time to do the ball cap method, we have no hair in the way, and also we making sure that we're protecting and saving our edges. Now I'm starting off with doing my ball cap. This is just a regular wig cap. As you can see, it is tight, which I like, but I also have a big head. So I'm just pulling it down, making sure that it covers my ears. I saw this method where you cut the hole behind your ear instead of on top of your ear, just to make sure that the cap covers all of your hairline, your sideburns, and everything like that. And we don't have to worry about it being too short when you cut it or it rolling up or anything like that. And then once I get everything positioned on my ears, I'm taking my Ebin spray. I use a black hand, and I'm just going to spray this outlining my hairline using my rat tail comb just to press everything in. I put extra pressure when it comes to my sideburns. And then I'm just going to take my blow dryer and let this dry for about like 15-20 minutes, or until I feel like everything is completely dry. Now that everything is dry, I'm just cutting up the middle of my forehead, and then I'm just going to take a hair razor and I'm just going to cut off the excess cap, and just making sure that, I'm pulling it back and cutting it off exactly at the beginning of my hairline, because we just don't want any extra or excess cap that we really don't need. Once I cut it off, I'm just taking my scissors and just cutting all the fringes off, and just making sure everything is clean, everything looks good. I don't have any extra cap or anything like that. Now I'm just going to take my Ruby Kisses foundation. I use the shade number 11, and I'm just putting makeup all over the cap. And once I finish this, y'all, it's really going to give bald. Like, you would think I have no hair. Now that the cap is all done, I'm just taking my wig and just fitting it on my head to see how I want it. I did end up cutting the lace off before laying the glue down, which I don't do all the time. Most of the time I keep the lace on and then lay it down, but I just did something new today. So I'm just going to fit this on my head, take the hot comb, push my hair back and everything like that, and just prep for putting the glue on. I know people normally use alcohol, but the alcohol breaks me out, so I just use the micellar water, and I'm just cleaning all the excess makeup and everything so I can have a clean canvas when it's time to lay the glue down and lay the wig and everything sticks completely. The glue I'm using today is the bowl hold glue. I'm just gonna start by putting it on my skin right in front of the cap. And I'm just going to take my time, smooth it out, spread it out. And I like this glue because it dries fast. By the time I get to the other side, the side I started with has already like almost dry. But I'm just going to do this, do 2 layers. Then I'm just going to take my blow dryer and blow it until it's completely dry. Probably about like 15-20 minutes. Once the glue is dry, I'm just going to take my time and really take your time with this. Fit your wig right on your head and just really take your time to place the lace where you want, stick it in the glue, and just make sure that everything is laying right, everything is secured and looking exactly how you want. Don't rush, take your time and really do this because this is an important, crucial part to installing your wig. Once I've laid the wig down, I'm just going back into parts where maybe I didn't put enough glue or the wig is not, the lace is not laying down already. And I'm just taking my time going section by section and just laying the glue down, putting more glue and laying the lace down, making sure that everything is laid down and secured. It on the floor. I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty boo. She keep that plump. That know she beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it. Back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need that rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. So I did put my wig band on and tied it really tight just to melt that lace into the glue. And while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm just going to take the time now to work on my part. Make sure that I'm getting the part that I want, that I'm getting the hair flat, going in with the hot comb, back and forth with the hot comb and the regular comb, and just making sure that I'm getting my desired part that I want for this install. Now that the lace is melted in, I'm going to carve out my baby hairs. Now, I don't always do baby hairs and it's very rare, but today I decided I wanted to do them. And while I also do my baby hairs, I'm also going to take the time now to pluck it. I waited to pluck it to when the lace was melted down, so I know that, the wig is not going to come up, it's not going to lift up as I pluck it, because, sometimes when we pluck, we do tug a little bit, but not too hard. So I'm just going to take my time now to get it exactly how I want it to look, pluck it to my desire, and yeah. I'm just going to take some more Ebin spray and spray it on the leaves exactly where I plucked out, and also a little on the top of my edges just to mold them and keep them in place to make it easier when it's time to lay the baby hairs down. While the wig band is sitting, I'm just taking this time to cut the hairs on the baby hairs and get it the length that I want it to be. To do my baby hairs, I use a pencil flat iron to curl them. I curl them under. This is just a Red by Kids flat iron. I ordered this off of Amazon. I think it was like $20 or something like that. Then I'm just going to take the comb part on my edge brush and also some mousse just to take my time and really form and mold the baby hairs on how I want them to look, how I want them to lay. And then once I have them laid where I want them to be, I just take a little bit of the Gots to Be gel just to hold them down and keep them in place. I'm realizing now as I'm editing this video that I really didn't show a lot of the products that I'm using, so I have to keep that in mind next time. But I will definitely put everything in the description box. Now I'm just gonna comb the hair down and just take my time to just really comb it down, lay it down exactly how I want it to be. So I'm just gonna be going back and forth between the comb and the hot comb, making sure that, you know, the hair gets flat, is laying exactly how I want it to look. But y'all, I have to say, this is a really good Amazon wig. I think it was like 178, but it had a coupon, so I got it for like 130, 120, something around that price range. But the hair is so good. I bleached the knots, I plucked it, I've washed it, and it's still full. It's very thick, it's very soft. I'm really advocating for this unit because it's a good unit. If it wasn't good or if it was any issues, I would say it, but I have no issues with shedding even after I wash it and everything. Now I'm just taking some concealer and putting it on my part, just doing the final touches just to clean everything up. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. And yeah, guys, this is basically the whole install. Look at how thick this hair is. Look at the color blend. The comb is just going right through. The lace did not take long to lay down. It wasn't hard to lay down or anything like that. I'm feeling myself at this point because the hair is so full. Like, oh. Okay, so this is about a week later, and I decided just to get back on camera just to give you guys an update. And I'm just showing you guys still no shedding. It does have a little wave in it because I did braid it up at nighttime anytime I went to bed. But I also just wanted to get on here and style it and just show you guys that you can really do anything with this hair. I'm in love with crimps and obsessed with crimps in my hair, so I'm about to just crimp my hair on camera and just show you guys, like, even when I crimp it or anything, the hair is still good, doesn't burn or anything. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting. Okay, guys, so sad news. The whole time while I was crimping my hair, I thought I was recording, but sadly, my camera wasn't recording because my camera died. But this is basically how the crimps came out. I'm just taking the hot comb now. One thing about it, I'm gonna grab that hot comb and I'm gonna put it to use because when having wigs and doing wigs and everything, the hot comb is literally your best friend just to make everything lay down. But yeah, this is how the crimps came out. Look how pretty it looks, especially with the hair color, with the color blend and everything like that. So yeah, guys, and this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, need to know any details, let me know. Drop some questions and stuff down in the comments. If you like this video, if you felt like it was informative or you think I should do more, let me know in the comments. Like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be coming with more videos like this, also more makeup tutorials and everything like that. And yeah, guys, that's it. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.